Well, I have a pleasure to be here in Florence with Cornelis, who is the Secretary General of NEON, the National Energy Ombudsman Network. So let me start asking one question, Marina. What is NEON?
Okay, so NEON stands for National Energy Ombudsman Network. It's a network, an association of ombudsmen working in the energy sector. Members are all independent energy ombudsmen. It means that they don't belong to any company. They have been appointed by state or government, and so they are very impartial. Members do share the same values. They want to work together in order to deliver better outcomes for energy consumer throughout Europe.
So, bin ADR directive in entering in force soon. What it means to you, to NEON and its members?
So NEON was funded in 2011, so it was before the ADR directive. It was funded originally because the third energy package states that there should be an ADR entity, such as an energy ombudsman, to answer to consumer disputes in the energy sector. So there was already this idea, but the ADR directive gives a better framework for ADR entities to develop, and it also means that each member state has to implement somehow something more specific. So it means that consumers throughout Europe will be much more protected thanks to better and more and deeper mechanisms thanks to this ADR directive. It gives a better framework for consumers.
And we have to consider that the Energy Union is one of the top EU priorities, and in one of and consumer protection, I would say, is one of the main goals. So what does it mean for NEON, the Energy Union?
Okay, so the Energy Union is a big project. Is one of the Juncker's priority, Commission Juncker priorities, and the Commissioner Vice President for Energy Union, Šefčovič, and Miguel Arias Cañete, so he's the Commissioner in charge of the of energy and climate. They said that they want to put consumer back at the center of the energy market. That's indeed very interesting, but we need, as NEON, to know concretely what it means. And we have read that, for instance, there should be a new deal for energy consumers. But what does that mean? Does that mean that they have to face new difficulties? Because consumers already have difficulties to understand the market. So we, as ombudsmen, we have to understand what will be the complaints of the future, what will be the problems they're going to face in the future, how they will, if, for instance, there are bundled offers like insurance and energy contracts that would get together. What does that mean? Would it be the energy consumer dealing with the energy ombudsman dealing with this problem, or would it be the another ombudsman for insurance, for instance? So we have to understand and to be aware. We have to look at the future now, and to be able to respond quickly. And that's also one of the interests of the network, is that collectively together we managed to find solutions that we could never find by ourselves. One member doesn't find all those responses by him or herself.
So thank you, Marina. Thank you for bringing the view of NEON in this new perspective, the implementation of ADRs. and the rule of NEON, the rule of Ombudsman as well. And thank you for coming to Florence.
The pleasure is mine. It's so beautiful here.